Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 12th April. This is the daily chart of Banknifty. A lot of the moves were just as we expected. We expected kind of bearishness at about 37,940, and that's where the selling came. On the daily chart, we do have this inverted doji that is formed, and there's no other chart pattern or anything that we can see. And one more thing just to remember, I've been showing this analysis from past few days. We'll have to just monitor this channel. There's a possibility we'll hit the lower end of the channel tomorrow. It looks like that. Now I'm just shifting to the 15-minute chart. See, today's video is going to be short. The reason is there's nothing much. The levels remain the same, just as how it was yesterday. So overall, we'll come to the trade possibility, what was the trade possibilities today. But the overall view is we can buy above this point, that is 38,000, and sell below 37,400. Below this we can see some breakdown, above this we can see some breakout. So within this region, as expected, we were pretty sideways. That's why I've highlighted this region even in detail, like in this yellow color box. And coming for the trade possibilities for today, right, how we could have traded, it was basically a sideways day, not the best day for option buying apart from the last move that we got. See, we perfectly took resistance at this trend line, which I had drawn even in my yesterday's analysis. And yesterday I did mention that look to short somewhere close to here if we get a bearish divergence. That came, but a little bit later on in the market, around 1 o'clock. Even 1 o'clock was a good time to take a short. We could have caught this entire down move. Where I missed the trade is, see, when we got the second fall, right, we made a new lower low. I was under the impression we were going to break this CPR, so I was ready to enter if we break the CPR. And after this 5-minute candle, we started getting this kind of sandwich pattern where you get like red and green, and this is where I gave up. I stopped trading for the day. I was like, it might be just sideways, so just thought of taking the rest of the day off and stop trading. But the perfect move came at about 1 o'clock. If somebody had patiently waited and traded, they could have easily caught this move. See, even in my yesterday analysis, I did mention look for that bearish divergence and then short. That bearish divergence came here where the price made an higher high, but the indicator was making a lower low, and then you see the kind of dip that we got. Now on a 5-minute chart, either we could have entered here. If I was trading, definitely I would have entered here. Or the second entry, if you are waiting for a retest of this previous day high, the second entry, the best entry was here with high of this candle as a stop loss and CPR as the target. We came and hit CPR, and these are the kind of moves that we need to trade for option buying, not this kind of sideways move. We will not get anything. So about 350 points was the fall. We could have, say, one lot, the premium would have easily moved by say 100 and at least 100 points. This has fallen 350 means. So this was the only good trade today. If somebody could have caught it for option buying, good. Otherwise option sellers would have made nice money. But I'm still with the view that if this level breaks, right, 37,400, we can see a nice down move. There is some reaction level over here because this gap fill can happen. See, we might get pretty quick fall and kind of alt here or get a bounce from here, so we'll have to be careful in this region. But even if this level breaks with a nice bullish candle, nice bearish candle, then yeah, we'll see lower levels. There is one reaction level over here at 36,900. Reaction level meaning the price can come here and kind of bounce or kind of hover in this region, right, because of this price action. And the next level of support is around 36,800, that is 36,785. See, tomorrow is one day before expiry. I think this week expiry is on Wednesday, not Thursday, due to Thursday being a holiday. So based on this, even my trade for tomorrow is pretty clear. See, after getting about 3 days of this consolidated move within this region, right, tomorrow being one day before expiry, we could expect a good move on the upside or a good move on the downside. So let's see which side the move comes. But a buy is definitely only above this. A good, like above this, a lot of short covering will come. We can easily see about 200-300 points Bank Nifty moving. And see, even if we get a good buy around this area, right, it might be choppy and not the best for option buying. But we'll never know. If we again take good support here, yeah, we can enter with this level as the stop loss. But if this level breaks on a 15-minute with a nice bearish candle, and if the RSI is below 42, then definitely we'll see levels of 37,200 and probably even 36,800 is possible for tomorrow. Let us just look at the open interest today. I'm just checking it on this Nifty trader. See, we still do have some support at 37,500. Not sure if the breakdown comes tomorrow, if these people will exit. But one thing that is showing there is more support at 37,500 is this over here. A lot of call sellers have exited. The put sellers have not been added, but a lot of call sellers today have exited. The change in OI is showing that they have exited 37,500. See, tomorrow is one day before expiry, right? If we do not get a move breaking this on the upper side or breaking this level on the lower side, remain within this range even tomorrow, then probably only on Wednesday, on the expiry day, maybe we can see a big move. But the big move will come only if either of these two levels, if this yellow box that I've marked, right, is broken, either on the upside or downside. That will be my trade for tomorrow. And looking at Nifty, see, Nifty based on CPR, there was a beautiful entry today again at around 130. After this kind of this inverted hammer on 15-minute, we could have entered and kept stop loss at this CPR, because this wick is too huge, right? This is too big of a stop loss for intraday trading, about 30 points. And we got a nice fall of 100 points from here. So this was the only trade in Nifty that was good. Otherwise, even in Nifty, it was a little sideways. And we have a new fresh, like a resistance zone that we can draw for Nifty at this level. See, again tomorrow if the price comes here at 17,760, we might see some selling pressure, and a good support area is coming in over here for Nifty, that is 17,664. And the same thing like Bank Nifty, if Nifty breaks this level, right, 17,660, probably we can see 17,600. And even if 17,600 breaks, there's a very good support at this region between 17,530 and 17,511. So on the downside, these are the levels that we can work. If this level breaks, we can see probably Nifty coming closer to 17,600 and 17,530. And on the upper side, this level has to break on a 15-minute candle, that is 17,761. Then definitely we can see 17,837 and 17,900 on the upper side if we get that instantaneous move. So that's it for tomorrow. Let's see how the market moves. Either Nifty or Bank Nifty can break out of this consolidated region and hope it can give us a good move. See, we have been in this range for more than 3 days. So when a break comes, it will come pretty big on either side, is what I'm expecting. See, even on the lower side, we have some good support like this channel trend line plus this gap fill, and on the upper side also we have some good resistance. The first resistance coming in at 38,385 and the other one is 38,600. So let's see which side we're going to get this breakout and hope we can make some